The only changes for bossing and nightmare dungeons is that you just swap out Godslayer Crown for disobedience, so you can get armor. And then instead of exploit, run control. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is about the same. If you really want, you could swap out some points here and here, and you can move them to teleport. Actually, never mind. The teleport's already maxed out. Yeah, actually, I think the points are pretty good for where they're at right now. Probably put some points into Frost Nova if you want for more cooldown. Over here for the bossing setup, I have Ravenous for more attack speed. Now, what attack speed does for Blizzard is it reduces the GCD between casts, so you can be able to cast more Blizzards in between. And so the more attack speed you have, there's like it's a reduced delay, so you can cast it more frequently. It doesn't increase the attack speed of the Blizzard or anything, it just reduces the GCD so you can cast more times. Dungeons, I would pick Domination for sure. Anticipation's pretty good in Ravenous, so this is kind of like the standard setup of like ball lightning and stuff. So Anticipation will just lower your cooldown on your Deep Freeze. And Deep Freeze is just used as a reset for your cooldowns. When all your cooldowns are down, just press Deep Freeze and cancel it, and then you have your cooldowns back up. Alternatively, if you want, you can swap out Ravenous for Feed to Coven and Call Familiar. And the reason for this is, like, in case you want more mana, you create more bats. The bats will stun, which faster stagger. But it's also because the bats give you primary resource, and you do a little bit more damage as well. So that's also another alternative in case you're struggling with mana. Yeah, that's about it. I guess the main important thing to make this build work really well is Tibalt's. So every time you're unstoppable, you gain 50 of your primary resource, which kind of works like prodigies. So every time you teleport, flame shield, deep freeze, you get 50 mana back. And then because you press deep freeze, it resets all your cooldowns, so you're able to cast teleport, flame shield again, so you get more mana back. The other important thing is X-Falls. This increases your DPS dramatically whenever you use Blizzard, and it helps a lot if you have more lucky hit chance at 40%. Now, Blizzard in of itself doesn't have a high lucky hit chance because it's 46% chance over 8 seconds. So you need to be casting several stacks of Blizzard to get more lucky hit procs. Yep, that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.